My name is Dr. Bruno Sainz. I'm a researcher here at the Instituto de Investigaciones Biomédicas in Spain. It's a part of the Spanish National Research Council. Our laboratory specifically works on pancreatic cancer, so I think we're qualified to answer this question as far as what are new, what's in the pipeline for the future for treating pancreatic cancer. I think not from our laboratory, but in the field in general, there is a huge momentum and excitement for the new KRAS inhibitors. So it's been shown now that there's a plethora of different types of KRAS inhibitors that are on the market now in clinical trials and moving towards becoming available to patients from different pharmaceutical companies, and showing some very nice results in preclinical trials. So we're very hopeful that this will be a game changer in the pancreatic cancer field. And I would say specifically from my laboratory, from the research we're doing, we also were recently awarded a EIC transition grant from the EU, where we're looking towards developing a metabolic inhibitor of cancer stem cells in pancreatic cancer. So we have some very nice data in preclinical models, and we hope that at the end of this 3-year project, we will be able to be ready to go into first-in-human phase 1 clinical trials. I think people should support all types of research, independent of whether it's pancreatic cancer or breast cancer or COVID, for example. But I think pancreatic cancer is a very particular and a unique type of cancer. What really we lack and what other types of cancers have are survivors. You look at these marathons, for example, for breast cancer, and the majority of participants, 90%, are survivors of breast cancer or their families. Unfortunately, we don't have that in pancreatic cancer. So we really need support at all levels, support at the emotional level, support at the patient level, and support at the financial level, because we don't have this sort of backing by survivors to really push and send our message across platforms nationally and internationally. So I think it's a duty of all citizens to support those cancers where there are not spokespersons for the patients that are really needed. So I think we're in a unique situation. It's not to say that pancreatic cancer is the worst type of cancer. Obviously, it has one of the most deadliest cancers. It is a rare cancer, but I think independent of those two, the fact that we don't have spokesperson or survivors, I think that's really where we need that's why we need this better help to send our message.